If your car already has wired CarPlay or Android Auto, you know the deal. Every drive starts with plugging in a cable. The cable sits across the dashboard. It's a mess. The phone gets in the way, the cables get in the way. It works, but it's messy, and it's great when it works. You get in the car, maps load, music starts, and everything feels easy. This is a dual head wireless CarPlay dongle. It is designed to turn your existing wired CarPlay or Android Auto into wireless. On one end is the USB-C, and on the other end is the USB-A. It works with cars that use either or for CarPlay or Android Auto without needing any adapters. It only works with cars that already support wired CarPlay or Android Auto. It does not, however, add CarPlay to cars that never had it. Before we set it up, it is important to understand one thing. Wireless CarPlay dongles work with most cars, but not all. Some vehicles, especially certain models or models made in some countries, just do not play nicely with wireless dongles. This is not a fault, and swapping brands usually does not change it. Setup order matters. Start by turning the car on first. Let the infotainment system fully power up. Give it a few seconds until the screen is ready. This helps avoid any pairing issues later. Now plug the dongle into the CarPlay USB port in your car. Make sure it is pushed in fully. A loose connection is one of the most common causes of dropouts, especially on bumpy roads. Many cars have more than one USB port. In this instance, one is power and the other is the USB CarPlay. Only one will support CarPlay. If it does not work in one port, try the other. Some ports are charge only, like we see here. Once the dongle has power, unlock your phone, make sure the Bluetooth is turned on. Your phone will find the dongle and ask to pair. If it does not, you can turn off the Bluetooth and turn it back on again. You can see the device here. You can press it and you can accept the Bluetooth pairing request when prompted. This part is important to understand. Bluetooth is only used to start the connection. Once pairing is complete, the dongle and your phone automatically switch to a direct Wi-Fi connection. That Wi-Fi link is what carries CarPlay audio, video, and controls. The first connection can take up to 30 seconds. This is normal. After the first setup, future connections are usually much faster. From now on, just start the car. You do not need to plug your phone. CarPlay connects automatically once the system is ready.
Parking mode off.
If it does not connect straight away, that is okay. Wireless dongles rely on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and old connections can sometimes get in the way. If CarPlay drops out or connects slowly, check your Bluetooth list. Old headphones, hire cars, smartwatches, cameras, and other devices can interfere. Remove anything you no longer use. In the iPhone, you can choose the option Forget Device, and it should remove it. You can clear up the list. Also check on Wi-Fi. Any old hotspots or unused devices can sometimes cause conflicts. Cleaning these up also helps wireless CarPlay stay stable. Then check the car's infotainment system. Remove phones that are no longer used. Rental cars in particular often store many devices, which can confuse wireless connections. Under Settings, General, under Connections, you should be able to see all the devices that are connected and you should be able to remove them. After clearing these, restart the car, wait for the screen to turn on fully, and repeat the pairing steps. In most cases, this fixes the issue. Wireless dongles can get warm. If it is strapped behind trim or pressed against panels, heat can build up and cause temporary dropouts. Make sure it has some airflow. If the CarPlay only drops out on rough roads, check that the dongle is not getting knocked or is not shaken loose. If you have tried all of this and it still does not work properly, the car itself may not be compatible with wireless dongles. This happens with some vehicles, even when wired CarPlay works perfectly. If that happens, contact Laser directly. Our support team can help troubleshoot and may swap the dongle for a different version. If none of our versions work, it usually means the car is not compatible and changing brands will not fix it. When everything lines up, wireless CarPlay is simple, reliable, and cable-free. Set it up once, understand how it works, and enjoy an easier drive every day.